Don't you hate it when you spend time on something and then realise that you did it wrong, so you have to get rid of it anyway? That's what I've done here. I got a folder at work. I spent all this time working it out and trying to get the right measurements just to cut it off and throw it in the bin because it didn't work. So let's try and make it a little bit stronger, eh? Now, this little trick I learnt at work, and I do quite often at work, is I just draw everything on the ground. It's nice and simple, and you can sort of, when you throw your tape measure on this type of stuff, because it's nice and flat and you don't have like, you know, any bends or any like little welds or anything like marking up your measurement, you can get an exact measurement on what you actually need to cut out and what you actually need to do. So I really wanted to show you guys what I did in a little bit more detail, because I'm worried if you guys follow along with what I just did, you will sort of muck it up a little bit, and I don't want anybody to do anything like that. I want everybody to have fun fabricating. I don't want you guys to have dramas fabricating. So if I was to come on here, and if I was to mark a 90 degree, what I would have to do, I wouldn't just do this like I did on this one. I can't just go up here. Well, I'll do it this way. Can't just go up here and say, yep, that makes sense. Oops. Yep, that makes sense, and draw a 45 degree and cut out that. It doesn't work like that. So if you did that, that would destroy your piece of steel. What you need to do is your 45 degree, right? If you're on a 45 degree angle, you need to go to your speed square and you need to measure out 22, well technically it's 22.5, but just measure out 22 either side of your center line. Let's measure a 90 like that, and you go to your pivot point, which is here. Oh, I've got this the wrong way around, sorry. Jesus Christ, I myself up. That's how annoying it is. So here on your speed square is your pivot point. So I'm going to pivot this way 22 degrees and this way 22 degrees. Go over here to your degrees on your pivot point, go down to about 22, draw that line, same deal, flip it over, come over here, pivot line again, go down, or this time go up to about 22. So as you can see here, 22 degrees either side, and you would remove that material, and that's what you actually need to do. So don't do this. This is bad. This will fuck your steel up. Do this, and this will give you your angle that you need. Moving on to the rear of the tray, I don't really know what to do here. I've sort of made, as you can see, I sort of made this tiny little mock-up piece, I suppose. It's literally just did it with the angle grinder. I'm thinking about, like, if that slides in like that, even though it doesn't quite fit properly because of this weld in here, I'll need to clean up that weld before this can slide on properly. For now, we need to remove these dirty welds that I did years ago, and yeah, hopefully we can get this piece on today. That's what I'm hoping. Alrighty guys, if you are enjoying the content, please leave a like and think about subscribing also. You don't have to subscribe, but just so you know, I'm almost at 100 subscribers. That'd be kind of cool if I could just, you know, leap over that 100 subscriber mark. I am going for 1,000 subscribers. That's a bit of a goal that I've got set. Anyway, I'm not going to ramble on too much more. Please enjoy the rest of the video. So one afternoon after work, I decided to fold up some mud guards to go on the tray. They're not exactly what I wanted or what I envisioned, but they were very similar to the original ones that I folded up years ago.
I kind of wish I changed them a little bit. It's not quite what I envisioned, but you know, they're going to do the job. They still look good, but I had a different idea in my head, but I'm not going to go back and change them. The saying goes, I've made my bed, now it's time to lay in it. I'm just going to commit to the guards that I've got.
I picked this up from Bunnings. Originally, I was looking at the two. One was like a seam sealer and the other one was like a sandable sort of seam sealer. I thought I picked up the sandable seam sealer. I didn't realize that I just picked up like a rubberized seam sealer, and this was like 40 bucks, and it's junk. Like, it's not even worth it. It's non-sandable. It's completely like if I don't know if you can see here, but I tried to like seal up my welds, and it looks so ugly, man. It looks so bad. Anyway, I've got to scrape all that off and start again. But I bought some other shit, bit of gap filler, and hopefully that does the job. It is cheap shit, but we'll see what happens. It says it does the job, so it should do the job. I've got a whole lot of time today. I need to get to work because I went to the FordRanger show. That was so good. If you are interested in seeing a couple of pics, it is on my Instagram. If you are interested, you know, I got to meet Macca, got to meet TJ. They were pretty cool. They were really casual to talk to. Very genuine boys. Really enjoyed their time. Yeah, got to see all the builds, got to see Sam's new build. It was really good. Really great, actually, to see all that type of stuff. But, you know, I lost a day there, going all the way down to Brisbane, because I don't live in Brisbane. Driving all the way down to Brisbane to go see that and spend the day down there. And then, obviously, with working 50-hour weeks, really hard to come out here and do a bit of work on the ute and on the tray. But I'm going to try and pump out as much work as I can, so I can't talk too much. You're just going to see a whole lot of B-roll and a whole lot of movement from me. I'm going to try and pump this and prep it for paint and get it ready for next week.
I shall not redeem or save. I carry all your sins, and I shall be the ruined. I shall be the cross you bear, the names, the tears you shed. I shall be the last one there, and I shall be the ruin.
I didn't get it prepped for paint, but that's where I'm gonna have to leave it for this episode. Hope you guys enjoy. Obviously next time
gonna be prep for paint. I'm gonna be looking at painting it. I still need to, you know, sand up some stuff and need to work on some stuff. I need to put some pinch welds around those guards just to make it look a little bit better. But for the future, probably next episode is probably going to be a 4-drive episode with the Jeep, I'm pretty sure. So you're not going to see too much of the tray because I am running out of a bit of cash, so I need a couple of these ones. So I need to work a little bit more hours, so you're not going to really see too much of the build probably next episode. Maybe the episode after I might be able to pump out something a little bit smaller, but besides that, like the old Ranger, she drains me pockets, mate. She fucking drains me pockets. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed. Please think about subscribing if you are around at the end of the video, but please think about subscribing. I'm trying to get to 100 subs for a start, but I really want to get to 1,000 subs. That's like a bucket list to get to 1,000 subscribers. So if you are keen on this content, stay tuned. There's plenty to come and plenty more to come. Anyway, I'm not going to ramble anymore. Thank you for your time. Peace.